Good morning, students. Yesterday we have started the surface chemistry. So this is another topic, adsorption isotherm. So what is adsorption isotherm? It is a plot between the amount of adsorption which is represented by x by m, a plot between the amount of adsorption and the equilibrium pressure of the adsorbate at constant temperature is called adsorption isotherm. Actually, when you apply pressure, the amount of adsorption going on increases, because as the pressure increases, the rate of adsorption become more. So that is why as the pressure increases, the amount of adsorption also increases. Here amount of adsorption represented by x by m. X means it represents mass of adsorbate and m means it represents mass of adsorbent. So adsorption isotherm means nothing, it is a plot between the amount of adsorption and the pressure of the adsorbate. That plot is called adsorption isotherm. And if you want to plot, suppose this side x by m, I mean amount of adsorption, and this side pressure. So when you plot amount of adsorption versus pressure, then the curve you will get like this. First time it becomes straight, then it becomes sloping like this. The curve becomes like this. So initially, the amount of adsorption, since the curve is nearly straight, the amount of adsorption is directly proportional to pressure, because it is straight, na? That's why directly proportional to pressure. That means you can write x by m is equal k into p. So this you will get at low pressure. But at higher pressure you can see it remains same. I mean it will not change. That means at higher pressure the amount of adsorption do not depends upon pressure. That's why I have written P naught. P naught means 1. I mean at higher pressure amount of adsorption do not depend upon the pressure. So at the intermediate range of pressure, what about x by m? It becomes sloping. So at low pressure, it is directly proportional to pressure. I mean P to the power 1 you can write. At high pressure, independent of pressure, P to the power 0. So at intermediate range of pressure, the x by m depend on pressure, which will be in the range between 0 and 1. I mean it will be fraction. That's why you can write k into p to the power 1 by n at the intermediate range of pressure. So this is the plot between amount of adsorption versus pressure. At low temperature, it is directly proportional to pressure. At high pressure, it is independent of pressure. And at the intermediate range of pressure, it becomes depend on pressure in the range between 1 and 0. That means it is fraction. So now we have got at low pressure, x by m directly proportional to pressure means P to the power 1. That means you can write x by m is equal k P to the power 1. At high pressure, you have got x by m is independent of pressure. That means you can write P to the power 0, or you can write x by m is equal k P to the power 0 independent of pressure. And at intermediate range of pressure, x by m depends on P raised to powers between 0 and 1. So that means you can write x by m is equal k into P to the power 1 by n like this. So now in this intermediate range of pressure, if you take log on both sides, log of x by m is equal, you can write log of k plus 1 by n log of P. You can write like this way, and this equation x by m is equal k P to the power 1 by n, this equation is called Freundlich, Freundlich. This is called Freundlich adsorption isotherm equation. This equation was derived by Freundlich, that's why this equation is called Freundlich adsorption isotherm. Now after taking log, the equation goes like this. This is y, this is suppose c, 1 by n suppose m, and this become x. I mean it is like to the straight line equation, y is equal mx plus c, and that is why if you plot x versus y according to straight line equation, if you plot log of x by m, this is y, versus log p, since it's a straight line equation, so you will get straight line like this, and this portion is called intercept. So according to equation, intercept you will get log k, and slope, you know slope means m. So what is m? 1 by n, slope 1 by n. So like this way you can determine the intercept and slope by using this equation. So this is about the adsorption isotherm. Adsorption isotherm means nothing, it is a plot between the amount of adsorption and equilibrium pressure. Always remember, as the pressure increases, the rate of adsorption also increases. Thank you.